Hello friends, welcome back to Alpha's Tech. And today in this video I am showing that the most trending application in nowadays. And this application is mostly similar to our WhatsApp. And it also added more features than our WhatsApp applications. And the all features are showing in this video. And without wasting our time, if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to a video. And at first you want to download a application and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after that, here you can see they are showing you more importance to your privacies and your databases. And here you can see their codes. And after reading this, you can just click the continue button. And after here you want to write your country code and your 10-digit phone number. And after writing your phone number, you want to just click this proceed button. And after just wait a seconds. And after that they have been sending you a verification code or a OTP code, and here you want to type your OTP code here. And after that here you can see a processing. Just wait. And these methods are as same in our WhatsApp application. And our verification has been successfully, and here you can see our first name as in my name. And after you want to just scroll down, and here you can also add your last name. If you have any last name you can also add it, otherwise you want to just click next. And after that they have been asking you to create your own PIN for securing all your privacies and all your database. And here I am typing one of my passwords. And here I have typed my password, and after that just click next. And once again you want to confirm your password, and just once again type the password. And after once again typing your password, just click next. And after that here you can see creating PIN. Just wait. And our PIN has been perfectly fixed or created. And after that here you can see the app interface. And after that here you can see none of your contacts has been added or no chats are here you can see. For adding your chats you want to just click this pencil icon, and after that here you want to enter your name, or otherwise they have been searching with your contacts. And after go back, and we can just move to our settings, and first you want to select your profile. And after there are more options like this privacy, and after selecting your privacy you can enable your screen lock if your screen lock is a face lock or fingerprint. If you enable this, your app, or while you are using this app you want to enable your finger as access or your face access. And if you want you can also enable it, and otherwise just leave it. And after that you can also change your appearance, and here you can see linked devices. And once again go back, and after that just select the pencil icon. And after selecting your pencil icon you want to just select one of your contacts, and here I am selecting note to self. And this is one of the note you can add in this Signal app, and this is already fixed into your Signal app. And after selecting this, here you can see the text bar and smile emojis and add button and etc. And here I am selecting or typing hi by clicking hi, and after that just clicking send. And here you can see both of the ticks has been changed. If you have been sending, or if you send a message to a friend, you can see a tick mark or a double tick mark as usual in our WhatsApp application. And after that if he or she has been seen your message, you can see dark tick like this, like this icon dark filled with your ticks and etc. And the main feature is you can add disappearing messages up to 5 seconds. In our WhatsApp, you can see the disappearing message has been enabled up to 7 days. After 7 days, only the messages will be disappeared. And in this, you can see 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and more are available. And you can select which you want. And after that, here you can see chat color. If you want to change your chat color, you can click this chat color and you can select which you want. And if you select this, you can see the chat color has been changed and just go back. And after going back, you can see the chat color has been changed and etc. And these are the features of our Signal application. And I think you have enjoyed our video. If you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.